Hello students, welcome to another session of Condor Talk. I'm so happy and excited to see you all again. So are you all excited to learn new things and of course have some fun? Yeah? All right. So we'll start with riddles first. Yeah? Which you all enjoy every time. Yes? Whenever we play riddles. Okay? Okay, so quickly let me share my riddle screen. All right, students. So my screen is visible to you? Yes? Okay. So let's start. All right. See how it is scratching its head? Yes? Funny? Okay. So here comes the first riddle for you. You need to guess the word. Okay? Two objects are there in front of you. You need to guess the word. Just create the word by looking at first object and second object. And share your answers in the chat box, please. Okay, let me see. Very well done. It's a keyboard. Very good, students. Very well done. So, the answer is keyboard. All right. Okay, now let's see the next one. Oh, what is this? Again, you need to guess the word. So see the objects in the picture, guess the word and share your answers in the chat box. Okay. All right. So let's see the chat box. Okay. Again, you all are absolutely correct. The answer is toothbrush. Very well done, students. Very good. All right. So now let's see the another one. What is this now? This is something which you need to guess, then join with these two letters. It will create another word. So guess the word and share your answer in the chat box. Let me see. Very good. Very good. My students are so intelligent. You must say. Yes. So this is a cute panda. You all like panda? Yes? Okay. So let me see if you can guess this one or not. Let me see. And who will answer this riddle? Raise your hand. Raise your hands. Who will answer this riddle? Yes, Kiara. Unmute yourself. And answer me.
Ma'am, it's donkey.
Okay, let me check if you have guessed it correctly or not. Very good. It's a donkey. See what it's doing? Okay, now let's see the another one. Okay. Find something that starts with the letter C. I'll show you. Wait. I'll show you one picture. Okay. Few objects will be there in that picture. You have to pick some objects which start with letter C. Okay. Let me show you the pic. So many objects are there. You have to identify, let's say, 3 objects which start with letter C. All right. And once done, raise your hand. Okay. Or show me thumbs up. Once done. Okay. I'm waiting. Just choose 3 objects which start with letter C. Yeah. Any 3 objects. Who is done? Okay, Asmi, share your words. Unmute yourself, child.
Car,
Okay.
cat,
Okay.
and can.
Very well done. Now mute yourself. Thank you, Asmi. Anyone else? So many objects are there. Okay. Share the words you have created. Asmi? Asmi has already shared. Yes, dear. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I just made one cat.
Only cat. Okay. What about Kiara?
Ma'am, I also made car.
Car, cat. Can you see this funny face in the middle? What you will say?
Ma'am, Joker.
No.
Ma'am, clown.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very well done, Kiara. Very good. All right. So, clown, cat, and car. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you all enjoyed the riddles. Yeah. Now, quickly, we'll start with code.org. Open your browser and 1 second. Let me also open it. Okay, and in the address bar, just type code.org and click on enter. code.org. Code.org. Okay. Now the screen will appear. Click on learn. Another screen will appear. You need to scroll down. Then one section will be there. Grades K to 5. Click on learn more. And today we'll start with another course, Express course. Okay. Click on Express course. All right. And once you are done till here, let me know.
Done, ma'am.
All right. Now click on lesson number 5, Programming with Angry Birds. Click on lesson 5. All right. Now see. Who is this character? Any idea? Have you seen? You must have seen in cartoons and movies. Yeah, it's very famous character. Which character is this? Yes, Tia?
Ma'am, it's Angry Bird.
Yeah, it's Angry Bird. And this is a naughty pig. Yeah, this is a naughty pig. So what Angry Bird will do? Angry Bird will try to catch this naughty pig. And we are going to help our Angry Bird to catch this naughty pig. Okay? So this is our play area. Yes? This is our play area where we will run our code. Yeah? And this is the workspace, this white area. Here we will write our code. How we will write our code? This is a toolbox. Can you see blocks here? Yes? This is the area which we call it a toolbox. Okay? Collection of blocks will be there. We can drag blocks from the toolbox, and if not required, we can put them back into the bin. All right? Okay? Okay. So now, see, we need to move our Angry Bird. Yes? So move forward block. What will this block do? As the name suggests, move forward means move Angry Bird forward 1 space. Okay? If we will use one move forward block and we will attach it to when run block, then what Angry Bird will do? Angry Bird will move 1 space ahead. Okay? All right. Now see, we'll see this one. 1 space ahead. Yeah, it will go 1 space ahead. Now see, with move forward, the Angry Bird can only move straight. Okay? It will not take any turn. So if we want our angry bird to take any turn, which block we will use? Either turn left or turn right. Yeah, now see. This is our angry bird. All right. Second. Okay. Now angry bird will move in this direction. Okay. Now what? Tell me which direction is this and which direction is this? If it will move towards this direction or if it will move towards this direction. Now see, we are standing. Yeah, we are sitting like this. Yeah. We are facing here. Yeah. Now expand your left hand out. Okay. So this is our left and this is our right. Now angry bird is facing in this direction. So which turn it will take? This turn. It will be left or it will be right. Just imagine angry bird is facing towards this direction. Yeah, it is facing this direction. So this will be its left or right. Who will tell me? Yes, Asmi? Asmi will tell me. Yes, Asmi?
This will be his right.
Okay, Dia, you want to try? Thank you, Asmi. Yes, Dia.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the angry bird will move right.
I am asking about this one. So this will be its right, you are
Okay,
saying?
ma'am. Ma'am, it will move down.
This will be its left. Okay, and this will be its right. All right. See, try to understand. Angry bird is facing this direction. Yeah. Now, if it will move towards this, it will be left. And if it will move towards this, it will be right. Yeah. So our angry bird is coming like this. Yeah. It's coming like this. So this will be its left. All right. And towards down, it will be its right. Clear? Okay, it will be more clear when we'll do the puzzles. All right. Just a sec. Okay. Okay, let me share the screen again. Just a second. Okay, so my screen is visible. Yes? All right. Okay, so now, okay, so now let's start again. It has reached at this point. Now it will take a turn towards down. Which turn it will take? Towards down? Yeah? Turn left or turn right? Who will tell me now? See, our angry bird is moving in this direction. So it will not move towards upward. Why? Angry bird needs to catch pink. So it has to come down. Okay. Who will tell me? Yes, Asmi. Which direction it will take? It will take a turn with left or right?
Right.
Right. Very good. It will take a right turn. Yeah. Now see. Let's run the code. Move forward, right turn. Okay. Now it is facing this direction, downward direction. And we want to move our angry bird so that it can reach at this point. It will be more near to the pig. So now for moving our angry bird, which block will use? Move forward or turn block? We need to move our angry bird. Yes, Tia?
Ma'am, we'll use move forward block.
Yeah. And one, thank you, Dia. And one move forward means it will move one step forward. Yeah. Now let's see this one. Move forward, then turn right, then move forward. Now see, this is facing this direction. It needs to face this direction to reach the pig. It will take a turn. Now think carefully. This is facing this direction. So this will be its left or right? Yes, Asmi?
Ma'am, left.
Left. Very good. Now see. And let's check our code. One move forward, then it will take a turn. Another move forward, it will turn left. And one more move forward, then it will catch the naughty pig. Yeah? All right. Yes, we like this puzzle. So clear, students? Okay? All right. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next class. Okay? Bye. Take care. Stay positive. Keep smiling. Bye, students. Bye.